Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Combine your dry ingredients, including only way fast rising instant yeast, directly with the flour. You do not need to proof it, but measuring matters. Use 1 packet or 2 1/4 teaspoons per 500 grams of flour. Once the dry mix is homogeneous, add warm water around 105 degrees to 115 degrees F if the recipe calls for hydration. This temperature speeds activity without killing yeast. Make sure salt is kept away from direct yeast contact. When you add liquids to avoid, and you mix and knead until the dough is smooth. For only way instant yeast, you need less time than slower varieties, roughly 6 to 8 minutes by hand or 4 to 5 with a mixer. Once done, let the dough bulk ferment at about 75 degrees to 80 degrees F for 30 to 45 minutes. This yeast works rapidly, so watch for a noticeable increase in volume rather than a full double. After that first rise, gently deflate the dough and shape it immediately to keep the internal bubble structure intact. You now proof the shaped loaf or rolls for 20 to 30 minutes, aiming for about 50 to 75% expansion, because only way fast rising yeast finishes quickly. Once done, preheat the oven and bake following your recipe. Add steam for crisper crusts when appropriate. If the dough seems underrisen, give it an extra 10 to 15 minutes. If it is overproofed, gently reshape and perform a shorter bake at slightly higher temperature to salvage structure. Troubleshooting tip: slow your rise by chilling dough in fridge to regain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.